Friends, I am Dr. Sujit Ghosh. Welcome to my channel, Dr. Ghosh Presents. Signs, symptoms and uses of Homeo-Remedy Baptisia. Full name Baptisia Tinctoria, short name Baptisia. Common name wild indigo. Source hard. Vegetable world. Spheres of action. Mainly acts on blood, mind, nerves, mucous membrane of digestive tract, left side of the body. Pathogenesis of Baptisia. Baptisia disorganizes and decomposes the blood, thereby tends to putrescence, especially in low fevers like typhoid, paratyphoid, dysentery. Constitution of Baptisia. Physical makeup. Best suited to person with flushed, dusky, red, dark face, with besotted expression looking like a drunkard, with perfect indifference, ulcerated mouth, with offensive smell and breath. Temperament, lymphatic. Hot or cold, chilly patient. Miasm, Sora is in the backdrop. Mental generation of Baptisia. Mind confused with perfect indifference. Incapable of thinking with inability of fixing mind on anything. Do not like to perform any mental work. Do not means actually they do not. Sometimes the subjects are absent. One can think it is he, she or they. Generally I have used they. Sense of duality. Thinks he is broken. Now here singular. Thinks he is broken or double. Parts feels separated, scattered. Tosses about in bed trying to get the pieces together. This is something imaginary idea of the patient in the diseased condition. Hopeless of recovery and certain of death. Falls asleep while answering or does not complete his sentence. Imagines his limbs are talking to each other. Wandering, muttering delirium. Physical general feeling of soreness, heaviness and aching of muscles. Parts feel numb and too large. Insensitive to pains, restless, always rub the hands, rapid prostrations, bed feels too hard, lifeless body but restless mind. In low potency, it increases the resistance of power of the body against typhoid. Mucous membranes dark, all discharges dark in color, dark spots appear on the body. Odor of the body, all excretion like breath, eructation, sneezing, sweat, stool, urine, flatus are foul. Chronic intestinal toxemia of children. General modalities of Baptisia. Worse. Humid heat, fogs in room, pressure. On waking, walking, open air, cold wind, autumn, hot weather. Betterment, no factors have given in any book. I have consulted more than one book. Head symptoms of Baptisia. Feels heavy, large, numb, as of a blow, or heavy pain on occiput. Occiput, occiput is the lower portion of the lower back portion of the skull bone. Vertigo with weak feeling, especially of lower limbs and knees. Vertex, feel as if would fly off. Vertex on the right hand side, top picture. Vertex. This is the vertex. Brain feels sore. Eye symptom Baptisia. Eyelids heavy, eyes feel swollen, half closed, especially in fever. Half closed eyes is a very significant symptom, and from this particular symptom you can just directly prescribe a medicine. So half closed eye Baptisia is a very important symptom. Ear symptoms Baptisia. Early deafness in typhoid like conditions. Nose symptoms Baptisia. Pain at the root. Epistaxis of dark blood. Illusion of smell as of burned feather. Face symptoms of Baptisia. Dusky, sodden, besotted, stupid. Muscles. Stupid means up to this the appearance of face. Dusky, sodden, besotted, stupid. Muscles of jaw rigid, cracked, bleeding lips. This is cracked, bleeding lips. Mouth symptoms Baptisia. Brown strip down the tongue. Tongue feel burnt, cracked, bleeds. Heavily coated. Breath fetid. Thick speech, ulcers in the mouth. Taste flat, bitter. Dark red, tumid mouth. Lower jaw drops. Tonsils and soft palate swollen. Throat symptom Baptisia. Dark red, tumid. Numb inside but sensitive outside. Can swallow liquid only. Least solid food gags. Esophagus constricted at the cardiac orifice. The picture of esophagus has been shown here. From here, gullet, to this portion is called esophagus. This is cardiac end of the esophagus. So, given what? Rugged esophagus constricted the cardiac end, rugged ulcer in throat, spasms of gullet. Gullet actually the point where from the food is enters into the out. This pipe. This portion lies the gullet. Stomach symptom Baptisia. Sinking feeling, easy vomiting, pain in epigastric region. This is called epigastric region. This is the abdomen. Picture of abdomen. Picture of abdomen has been divided into 9 quadrants. Name of the quadrant must be known to medical practitioner, because this is very often this is referred in the prescription. Doctor very often prescribe these names. Sudden attack of diarrhea, fever and vomiting, gastric fever, all trouble worse from beer. Abdomen symptoms of Baptisia. Right iliac region very sensitive. Right iliac region is this region is called right iliac region. Soreness of gallbladder with diarrhea. Soreness of gallbladder with diarrhea, it is repeated. Diarrhea sudden, horribly foul, painless, dark and bloody. Dysentery of old people with pain in limbs, small of back with rigors. That is pain in the limbs and small of back. Small of back means the lumbar region. This is the small of back. Painless dysentery with fever. Intestinal toxemia of children. Intestinal toxemia. Toxemia is in the intestine of the children. With fetid stool and eructation. It's a serious disease. Intestinal toxemia of children. Stricture from piles. Stricture means constriction. Constriction of the anal canal due to pile formation. That when piles are rather managed, I mean not completely cured, but some sort of patches going on, there arises newer structures called tissues. That tissue, extra tissue, causes stricture, constriction. Urinary symptom Baptisia. Scanty, dark red, light green, fetid, alkaline, uremia. Uremia is a serious disease. When urea is absorbed in the blood, then it is called uremia. Generally, urea is excreted by kidney. In case of kidney failure, uremia causes, and the patient may die. Male symptom Baptisia. Orchitis. Orchitis is disease. Inflammation of testicles. Pressing pain in a testis as if squeezed. Female symptoms Baptisia. Threatened abortion. Threatened abortion means abortion was going to happen, may not happen, but was going to happen. That is threatened from mental shock. From mental shock, threatened abortion. Menses too early, too profuse. Lochia acrid. Lochia means the discharges after child delivery. When child is delivered, after that some fluid and various types of extra structures comes out of the vagina of the particular lady. That is called lochia. Generally this is not good. I mean some sort of turbulence, I mean bad type of smell is there, naturally will be there, but it's acrid. Acrid means it is something caustic. It can, when it touch, it burns the skin. Foul puerperal fever. Puerperal fever, fever after childbirth. This is a very serious type of disease. A lot of lady dies in puerperal fever. It's a complication of childbirth. Stomatitis of the nursing mother. Nursing mother, the mother who are giving babies, this is called nursing mother. Respiratory symptoms of Baptisia. Breathing trouble from weakness of chest. Worse on waking, better standing. Craves air, bronchial asthma, lungs feel tight and compressed. Afraid to go to sleep for fear of suffocation and nightmares. Heart symptom Baptisia. Pulse rate accelerated then slow. First accelerated then slow and faint. Neck back symptoms Baptisia. Neck tired, cannot hold it easy in any position. Pain in sacrum. This green bone is sacrum. Around hips and legs. Back sore, bruised, bed sore. Feels as if lying on board. Board means wood. Symptoms radiate from the small of back. Small of back means lumbar region. Extremity symptom Baptisia. Stiffness, pain, aching, drawing in arms and legs. Sleep symptom Baptisia. Drowsy, stupid, languid. Slides down the bed, nightmares and frightful dreams. Baptisia's sleep is always turbulent. Lies curled up like a dog in one side of the bed. Skin symptom Baptisia. Livid spot all over the body and limbs. Fever symptom Baptisia. Hyperpyrexia. Too much of fever. Adynamic fever. Dynamic means actually typhoid, paratyphoid type of fever. Shipboard fever. Fever while on the ship. Sweat relieves gastric influenza. Influenza arising from gastric problem related to arnica, gelsemium, hyostomas, lachesis, muriatic acid, opium and astrox. With this the video ends. Thanks for listening and viewing. If you've got any problem, write down in the comment section. I would certainly respond.